a brown bar baby over there. It's a nice brown bar. I don't raise that many brown bars. Some birds sitting on big eggs. That's the baby still there. There's some babies over there. Somebody's just disturbing. Another bird sitting on eggs. Babies over here. Black. That froze stencil. I know that's a froze stencil Paris baby. Black. Nice almonds. The young almond hen in the middle over there. That bird in the middle that's flying, that's a nice almond hen too. Beautiful. Nice color. Right there. There's some glare of sunlight. Maybe from this different angle. That bird right there. Cockbird versus the red. That's like a nice pairing right there. The cock and the hen. Beautiful. Both are from last year. Nice cockbird. The hen over there. Let's see better in that coloration. Like that's a cockbird right there. And that is that there you go, that's a hen right there. Excellent bird. Go to the other loft real quick. Everybody's looking for treats. They know I'm not going to feed them right now because it's past the feeding time. That is that other Andalusian baby right there. If you can see the colors changing. So that all that reddish color is going to turn into that blue or slash black looking. But you do get some Andalusians with some black patches on them. It's a wonderful thing. A bird pooped from the top and landed on that bird. It's a red froze stencil hen. Her cockbird is a red froze stencil cockbird. That is their baby right there.